Hello, everyone. Welcome to Educational Hub. Have you ever spent time creating a presentation with NotebookLM, only to realize later that you can't properly edit the slides after downloading them? Look, the designs usually look impressive. The content is organized. Everything seems perfect at first. But then you try to change a title, update a chart, or move a section, or customize the design, and suddenly you discover a huge limitation. What if there was a free AI tool that creates beautiful presentations and still gives you complete editing control? Well, today, I'm going to show you exactly that. This tool can generate professional PowerPoint presentations in minutes, convert research papers into slides, and most importantly, every slide remains fully editable after download. So stay with me, because this might completely change the way you create presentations. All right, let's start with NotebookLM. Imagine I've created a notebook about the future of renewable energy and asked NotebookLM to generate a slide deck. And honestly, the presentation looks great. The layouts are clean, the information is organized, the visuals are attractive. But here's where the problem begins. Even though NotebookLM recently added editing options, those edits are still quite limited. You can ask it to modify certain sections, but you can't freely redesign the entire presentation the way you would inside PowerPoint. Now let's download the presentation. Once the file opens in PowerPoint, something frustrating happens. If I click on a title or paragraph, I can't edit it individually. Instead, the whole slide behaves like a single image. That means no editing text, no changing charts, no adjusting layouts, no customizing individual elements. And that's a major drawback if you're creating presentations for work, university, research, or client projects. So the question is there a better option? The answer is yes. Meet Claude. Amazing news. The solution is Claude AI. Most people know Claude as a powerful writing assistant. But many users don't realize that Claude can also create professional PowerPoint presentations. And the results are surprisingly good. To get started, simply open Claude and select the latest model available. You can upload documents, PDFs, reports, screenshots, or simply enter a prompt. Today, let's use a different example. Suppose I want a presentation on how electric vehicles are transforming transportation in 2026. I'll ask Claude to create a 10-slide presentation covering industry growth, environmental impact, battery innovations, challenges, future trends. Then I submit the prompt. Now watch what happens. Claude begins researching the topic and organizing information. It gathers relevant facts, structures the content, and prepares a complete presentation outline. Within moments, the slides start appearing. And honestly, the results look impressive. Each slide contains clear headings, well-organized information, professional layouts, relevant visuals, logical flow from one topic to the next. Everything feels presentation ready. But remember, the most exciting part is still coming. Let's download the presentation. Now, open it in PowerPoint. This is where Claude really stands out. Unlike NotebookLM, every element is editable. I can change any text, replace images, resize objects, adjust fonts, add new sections, delete unwanted content, customize colors and themes. Basically, I have complete control. And that's exactly what most users need. Because no matter how good AI becomes, we still want the freedom to make final adjustments ourselves. Now let me show you something even more powerful. Imagine you're a student, researcher, lecturer, or content creator. You have a 30-page research paper. Creating slides manually could take hours, maybe even days. Instead, simply upload the paper to Claude. Then give a prompt like, create a PowerPoint presentation from this research paper. Include slides for introduction, methodology, key findings, discussion, limitations, and conclusion. That's it. Claude analyzes the document and generates a complete presentation based on the uploaded content. Within minutes, you get a structured slide deck ready for presentation. And yes, every slide remains fully editable. That's what makes this workflow so powerful. So let's quickly recap. NotebookLM creates beautiful presentations, but editing them later can be difficult. Claude, on the other hand, gives you professional designs, AI-generated content, research-based presentations, document-to-slide conversion, fully editable PowerPoint files. And the best part? You can start using it for free. If you're a student, teacher, researcher, business professional, or content creator, this is definitely a tool worth trying. All right, that's it for today's video. Give Claude a try and see how it compares to your current presentation workflow. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more AI tools, productivity hacks, and technology tutorials. Thank you for watching. Like, share, and subscribe for more informative videos.